Good afternoon, Hedelisa.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Hedelisa Rujas, and I have 3 children. My husband name is Domenado Rujas.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start.
Yes,
Why do
ma'am.
you want to work as a maid?
I want to help my husband and to support my children.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I want to work in Malaysia because I'm finished to work in Kuwait.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I'm hardworking, ma'am.
May I know what is your educational level?
High school graduate.
What is your recent experience?
I'm DH, ma'am.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what place and how many years you work for?
I work in Kuwait and 2 years for 3 months.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My baby and my employer's baby.
Okay. How about elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose elderly people you taking care of?
I taking care of my grandmother. She's
How?
70 years old.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook,
Mm-hmm.
taking care of baby, cleaning, gardening, and cross stitching.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with the family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino food and also Kuwaiti food.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Cooking and taking care of baby.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My parents and also my husband.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit.
Okay, what is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
No cell phone allowed and no rest day.
Okay, how many years is the contract as you agreed and understands?
2 years contract.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
I am hardworking and disciplined.
Okay, how can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will do my best, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
I promise, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
I promise, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
I promise, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
I promise, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
I understand, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Hedy Lisa, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I
Okay.
have two case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will ask first my employer, ma'am, if she will allow me. If it's not, I will stay in the house to
Okay.
my employer.
Number 2. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like the work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
I agreed, ma'am.
Okay, Hedy Lisa. What do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
I want to tell her, ma'am, if she hired me, I will do my best to work in their house, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much, Hedy Lisa. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Thank you, ma'am.